Stay afloat in the 2023 recession with 10 proven strategies for generating income during tough economic times. The 2023 recession has brought financial uncertainty to households across the world. With job loss and reduced income being a common concern, it's essential to have a plan in place to make ends meet. This guide provides 10 actionable strategies to help you generate additional income during these tough economic times. From starting a side hustle to reducing expenses, these strategies are designed to help you stay financially stable and secure during the recession. So, let's turn the challenges of the recession into opportunities for growth and prosperity. In this video, we'll share 10 expert-proven strategies that will help you stay financially stable and secure during the recession. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. One of the side businesses that is now in high demand is working as a virtual assistant. Additionally, it is one of the most well-liked side jobs in the online world because it is very lucrative and adaptable. Being a virtual assistant is ideal for full-time travelers or digital nomads because you can work from anywhere as long as you have a laptop and an uninterrupted internet connection. There is a huge need for professionals who can help manage and run those firms for the owner as more and more people start digital businesses. Number 2. Freelance on Fiverr. Freelancing is a fantastic side business since you can get work doing almost anything that is in demand. Platforms like Fiverr can make it simpler than ever to sign up for projects, get clients, and get paid, allowing you to concentrate on expanding your freelance business and earning more money. The fact that freelancing is such a flexible side business is why so many people engage in it. I consistently pursue writing freelance jobs as a side business, and I've made hundreds each month doing so. You are free to choose your own hours and fees, but keep in mind that you will be up against all other freelancers worldwide. In any case, working as a freelancer means you can continue doing your regular job while joining the gig economy's other freelancers. Number 3. Dropshipping. A simpler approach to succeed in the online retail industry is through dropshipping. You don't need to keep any stock, similar to Amazon FBA. Simply take the order and the manufacturer will handle the rest, including shipping the item and taking care of inventories. Simply pay the manufacturer the price they demand for their goods. You get to keep the difference and keep the commission. You must create an e-commerce website, which is simple to do with platforms like WordPress. If you want to increase sales, you should have a solid marketing strategy and a sizable advertising budget that will allow you to use a variety of marketing channels. Number 4. Become a blogger. You should think about starting your own blog if you enjoy writing and creating content. Start blogging about whatever topic you enjoy writing about the most. You will nevertheless need to possess the necessary abilities in content creation, blogging for SEO, and other areas. As a blogger, your responsibilities will involve gathering information and coming up with ideas, editing and producing content, advertising your blog, and new posts on various platforms, and using SEO techniques to drive traffic. Number 5. Tutoring. Teachers and others with a college degree are eligible to get paid to tutor kids online. One of the fastest growing demand categories at the moment is online English teaching to children abroad. Time zone differences are one of its main benefits. This is the side job you can start if you want to work from home at night while using your computer. Number 6. Sell on Shopify. Users can create a Shopify store on the e-commerce platform Shopify to sell their goods and services online. It provides a total solution that incorporates a POS system and your own internet store. In order to expand the number of funnels that lead to your business and hence your audience reach, you can also integrate your website and social media networks. The earnings potential is only constrained by your target market and the amount of time and effort you invest in your store, just like with the majority of online selling solutions. In either case, Shopify offers its users a simple way to begin selling online, particularly if they already have a website. By doing so, you'll be able to maintain control over the user experience you give your customers and boost both sales and overall customer happiness. Number 7. Design an online course. It should be noted that creating a course is not an easy task before we look into this choice. Once you've done it, though, you can consider using your creations to generate passive money. Online course sites like Udemy make it simple to sell your courses online and provide a wealth of support to ensure you maximize your sales. Choose a topic that you are quite knowledgeable about and concentrate on creating a course around it that will be extremely beneficial to your students if you want to make the most of your effort. Just bear in mind that in order to make these courses more appealing to your customers, you'll need to have equipment to record the lectures and some video editing expertise. To improve your approach to your selling points, you may quickly identify which courses have the most students and analyze the method those courses used. Number 8. Resell domains. Arguably, one of the simplest side hustles out there is investing in domains. There is no other side business where you can make nearly as much money in such a short period of time. I've met people that consistently acquire and sell domain names for $300 plus profit for a long time. In a sense, domains are the real estate of the internet, and as time goes on, their value only increases. In just the last 5 years, the typical cost of a mid-tier domain has increased from a few $100s to over a few $1,000s. Of course, the overall expansion of WordPress has been a significant contributor to these price rises. More and more people are willing to spend quite a bit of money to get the exact domain they desire, as creating websites has become a lot simpler. Number 9. Become an Amazon seller. Amazon has a global internet audience, much like eBay. The main reason Amazon is so well-liked today is that you can pretty much find anything there that you might want to buy. This implies a high likelihood of recurring business, which minimizes your customer acquisition costs. This is a worthwhile side business that rewards effort with good money. You can also use Amazon FBA if you lack the necessary space or dislike the idea of keeping your own goods. By doing this, Amazon will manage your inventory, as well as returns and customer inquiries, freeing you up to concentrate on increasing sales and increasing your income. Number 10. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing has a great deal of promise for producing good money without putting in a lot of time or effort. To draw visitors and try to turn them into paying clients, you will need a website. You won't even need to make the sale because the business that runs the affiliate program will pay you a commission on every purchase customers make. Affiliate programs come in a wide variety of forms for almost everything. You could run an affiliate program, for instance, and sell software to online casinos. To find out how much money you could truly be making, review the regulations of the programs you are interested in, since they will often have different ones. Thanks for tuning in to this 2023 Recession Survival Guide, where we shared 10 ways to make money during tough economic times. Remember, in times of economic uncertainty, it's important to be creative and proactive in finding ways to increase your income and secure your financial future. We hope these tips will help you weather the storm and come out stronger on the other side. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.